When you add an item to your Amazon cart, it's not magic. It's just your computer firing a post request to a server. This updates a database and fires back an OK status, but how did we get here? From simple websites on a single machine in 1995 to today's massive, complex cloud architectures? Welcome to Suicodes. Let's break down the evolution of modern cloud architectures. Our journey begins with scaling servers. Step 1. Vertical scaling. You upgrade a single server's RAM and CPU to handle millions of users, but even a supercomputer will bottleneck. So you unlock Step 2. Horizontal scaling. You clone your application across multiple computers. To prevent chaos, you add a load balancer. This acts like a traffic cop. It constantly checks server health and distributes requests evenly, so no single computer crashes. Next, Step 3, sharding the database. You can't just copy-paste a database. Your data would get out of sync instantly. Instead of one massive table, you split your data using a unique shard key, like putting all US users in server A and UK users in server B. Now, the system uses that key to pinpoint the exact database instantly, without scanning millions of irrelevant records. Moving on to Step 4, the microservices shift. As your app grows, a massive monolith repository becomes a nightmare. One bad line of code in the chat feature could crash the entire checkout system. The modern fix? Microservices. We break the application into independent services. If your search engine gets millions of requests but your user profile page gets 10, you only pay to scale the search servers. They simply communicate with each other over standard protocols like HTTP. Finally, Step 5, orchestration and NoOps. Microservices create a huge new problem, deploying and configuring dozens of services across a sea of computers. Managing this dynamic puzzle is called orchestration. Historically, developers wrote code and threw it over the wall to an ops team. Today, the cutting edge is NoOps, an extreme form of automated infrastructure. Developers push code and the system automatically orchestrates the hardware it needs. Subscribe to Suicodes to learn more about cloud architectures and scaling techniques.